Hi, my name's Anita Moore, and I'm a decorative painter, and I want to share a little tip on conditioning your brushes when they get all worn out so that they become back to its shape. I already did these two, and they're dry and back to its shape. So I just want to show you how I do that. I like using, it's called the Masters brush cleaner. So it is a brush cleaner and a conditioner for your bristles. So I'm gonna wet, like these are all washed from my previous painting. So what it is, now I have it wet and there is a little bit of water in it. Okay, you want a little bit of water. I'm gonna go back and forth so the soap gets in there. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. So this gets your the conditioner into your bristles, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is just wipe these excess soap on there. Make sure it's all in there. Now you want to shape your bristles. And see, I have no water in there. Because if I had water, I'm just wiping the condition, you would see it, okay? Now, always lay your brushes flat to dry. Never up, because then your paint goes into the ferrule, and that's where your paint spreads. So always lay your brush flat to dry. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to wet it really good. Take some of the water off. Just squeeze the excess. Again, I'm going to just make sure that the soap goes into the bristles. Okay, now I have enough. I'm going to just wipe some off, finger, and then just work it into the bristles. Shape it. And then the next time you use it, you'll see the conditioner will come off. So rinse them before you paint. I don't think it'll hurt. Okay, I have no water in it. I'm going to lay it flat. And then I have my flat wash that is always used. Okay. See how I have some water in there? Get that soap in there. Some more. And just wipe the excess and shape it. There you go. And then just lay all these to dry. And then you'll have perfect bristles again. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little tip on conditioning your brushes. Thanks for watching.